I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T. Do you know what that mean, man? I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T. Do you know what that mean? She got a home. She got a home.
Say hi.
So bad.
Say hi, say hi, say hi. Say hi. Hey Chase, hey Chase, hey Chase, hey Chase, hey Chase, hey Chase. Yeah. This is Team Independent right here. T.I. you already know, man. Y'all know what I mean? This is my last event, motherfucker. This is Team Independent shit. Check, yeah, man. Y'all know. Hey, yeah. Okay, yep, right here. Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, uh-huh. What? Oh, shit, Matt. All right. We got the ribs right here. Yeah, no. This is my boy Ray, and I forgot his name. What the guy? Crystal. Yeah. Jason. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Huh. Why y'all so quiet?
Nothing going here.
Huh? Connor. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go right here. This is our table right here. You know what I'm saying? See. Oh boy. Hey kid. Yeah, right here. Smiling. Okay. All right. Hi. Hey, Bevo. Team what?
Get there, son. Oh, I can.
Alright. Check it, smoking. And there's Betty. And then everybody's over here. Sad Rizik. Hey. Stop it. Yeah. Alright. Of course we got Josh over here cooking. What he always does. And then now we're going to the beach.
Alright, here we go. This is Team Independent. We're doing this bitch thing. We have over 50 people and 10 cars. Everybody's just chilling, smoking hookah, getting a massage, you know, and I'm barbecuing right now. And I'm gonna go start from this table right here. You know, everybody's just getting a tan, chilling, you know, playing a volleyball. And you know, shit, man. I'm starting to get tired, but it's okay. I'm doing a good thing, doing a good job on the hot dogs, steak, ribs and spam. Everybody just doing their own thing. Yep, we have 55 people right now, and we're just doing our own thing. Yep. Hi. Oh. Not even. Why not? Nah.
So much food. Gotta love the food. Everybody's eating. Okay.
Oh, yeah, you're okay.
His birthday girl. And Tony's on his way here. Everyone's eating right now. Alright.
Spam! Who wants spam?
Yeah.
Everybody's here. Hi. I don't know. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to hit the water?
Hell yeah!
Y'all ready to hit the water? Here, videotape this. 30 seconds, stop at 1 minute and 59 seconds.